Hey there charmers, Debbie here again today. And today I'll be showing you guys how to get the look that Stephanie wore in the April photo shoot. If you want to see how she got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Since her face is pretty much done for the most part, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the eyes, and I'll be using the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. It is so beautiful. Look at this little baby. It's got like the perfect neutral tones, but then it also has these two really fun pops of color, which we will play with some of these pops of color today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shade Epic right here, which is a really beautiful kind of warm tone transition shade. So I'm just gonna start by applying this on the outer edge of her eye like this. And then I'm gonna start buffing it into her crease. And I'm taking it from outer edge all the way to the inner edge. And even though the shade is really light, this is just gonna help us to blend all the other colors together and create like a nice gradient effect as we add the other shades. So now that we've got like a nice kind of soft base laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and go into a deeper shade to start adding some definition and some dimension to the eye. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Hidden Desert, which is this super beautiful, like burnt reddish brown color. I love shades like this. And we're gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna start by applying this in the outer edge of her eye and then buffing it up into her crease and dragging it from the outer edge all the way in. So now that we've got this nice kind of like soft toned, just warm halo happening on the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and add a shade to the lids. So let's see, I'm between the shade Good Vibes or Peace. Let's see. Which one do you like?
Let's do this one.
Okay, so we're gonna go with Good Vibes. My favorite way to apply shimmer shades is first to go in with your finger. So go ahead and close your eyes, come this way. And I'm just gonna apply this. Look at how beautiful the pigment on this is. It is amazing. This is a pretty color. This looks so good with your skin tone. Shimmer shadows always come off a little better when you first apply them with your finger. And then what I'll do is I'll go in with a brush now to get into all the little edges that I couldn't get into with my finger. And if you want to amp it up even more, you can add a little spritz of water to the shadow on your brush, and that'll just make it be even more foiled and more metallic. And it will also help with fallout if you've already done your face makeup. So now for her lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Hidden Desert, this really beautiful red and brown. And I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke out her entire lower lash line with this. And then to buff out those edges, I'm gonna pick up the shade Epic and just use a little bit of this to kind of blend this into her under eye concealer, so it's not just like a harsh line, so it kind of softly gradiates into her face makeup. So now that we've got this nice kind of like bronzy soft look happening, we're gonna go ahead and add a fun pop of neon. So I'm gonna first go in with just any old regular golden highlight. I'm gonna first put this on her inner corner. This is gonna help the neon shade that we put on the inner corner to just pop a little bit more. And if you don't want to go for the neon shade, you can totally just leave it like this. This is beautiful. It's just like a soft, bronze, warm toned eye. Live for those looks. And now that we have the nice highlight down, I'm going to go ahead and go into the shade Wild Child right here, which is this beautiful fuchsia color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love this. Look how pigmented that is. So as you can see, this is just like a fun and simple way to incorporate color into your look and just take like a regular, everyday bronzy eye to something more fun, you know? So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and very quickly pop on some lashes to kind of just bring the whole eye look together. So now that we've got her lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Butter London Power Up Mascara that some of you guys will be getting in your box to connect her natural lashes to the falsies. Okay, so now that the eyes are done and we're looking fabulous and beautiful, let's go ahead and add some highlight. This highlight is so beautiful. I am not like a colored highlight lover, but this highlight is colored in all the right ways. It's like a golden highlight with like a lavender undertone. So only in certain lighting, you get like that really pretty shift of lavender. It is beautiful. I should probably tell you what this is. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Purple Dream. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick some of this up, tap off a little bit of the excess, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to her temples and the tops of her cheekbones. And you see how it has like this really pretty kind of like lavendery purple undertone, but it's still like golden. So pretty. I heard Steph really loves highlights, so we're just gonna keep putting more and more and more until the package is done, until it's empty.
All my highlight
to life right now.
I need like a dozen of these.
So I very quickly just applied a little bit of a neutral lip liner off camera, and now we're gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. So we're gonna be using the Kristofer Buckle lipstick in the shade Renaissance. This is just like a really pretty kind of like berry shade. They're super pigmented. It's a really nice formula. I'm really into it. So I very quickly just put a little bit of setting spray on her off camera, and that's it, guys. This is the finished look. Okay, girl, so moment of truth. Now you get to see her makeup.
I'm excited. Ooh, this is cute. Look at my highlight.
It's so cute and fun, right? It's like
it.
colorful, but it's still like natural.
Yeah.
You know?
And this pop of pink is speaking to me.
I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you love this look as much as I do.
I loved it.
And she loved it too. Definitely loved it too. So I hope you guys are excited for your April box. There's so much awesome stuff coming. If you want to see more videos from us here at Boxy, then just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.